Hey, thanks for tuning in. Jesse here, back at it again with another J-Car unboxing. This time I have no idea at all what we're going to open up. My wife had ordered this and it actually came to the door and I'm like, I don't remember ordering anything else from J-Car. My wife had ordered it. She wouldn't tell me what it is. So we're going to open it up together. And I'm really hoping it's something like, I don't know, maybe the Mountain Drifters, new Fast and Furious Premiums. But again, I have no idea, so I'm going to be as shocked or surprised as you will be. And hopefully it's something you can find at your stores soon. I think there it is right there. Well packaged and cared for is all. Oh dang, there's two boxes in here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and assume this four piece right here is probably the new Team Transports. And let's see, 10 pieces. That's probably a premium. But based off the code, I don't know right offhand right yet what it is. But let's open them up. See if we can pull them out together. So yeah, I'm almost positive that is the new Team Transports. Yep. Yeah, let's see here. This is most likely a premium set. I just don't know what set yet. Let me move this box out of the way. So there's your code right there if you're interested in the codes and ordering it online or looking to find this on the pallets in the store. And of course, I'm assuming this is the Team Transports and that will be your code as well. FLF56956Q. So let's go ahead and pop these Team Transports. I'm almost sure that's what these are. And again, I don't think we've seen these in stores yet, but I am excited about them. Let's see what they are. First up, in no particular order, of course, number 42 is the Lancia Stratus Group 5. Definitely a cool one. Just trying to get a little bit more lighting over here. Let me know your thoughts. Definitely awesome. The Lancia, definitely sweet. And of course, you've got the Sakura Sprinter, if I pronounce that right. But yeah, little car culture. Team Transports, like I figured. Definitely nice. Oh yeah, there's your back UPC for that one, or for the set. Oh man, I can't wait to get to that Porsche. Maybe I wonder which ones we get two of. Let's see here, right off the hand. This is the one we got the two of, and I'm hoping it's the Porsche. Yes, it is. Nice. Dang. Check out the Porsche 917 LH with that Golf livery or theme. And this is number 41. And of course, you get the little Fleet Flyer. But yeah, I'm excited about that one. I love Golf, Moon Eyes, things like that. Those are just awesome. And it's a Porsche, so hey, that's right up my alley. Can't wait to see these in store. That's awesome. I'll try to give you a little bit more of a view of it, even though it's a little bit hard to get the right angle on these. But again, I haven't seen these personally myself in stores. Maybe those on the West Coast, out toward California, maybe you've seen these in store. Drop me a comment if you have or if you haven't. But right now, we're just finding these on a lot of hobby dealers like J-Car Diecast. There's our second one. Won't spend a lot of time, but we did get two of that in this one, which is probably my favorite of the set. But last but not least, dang, it's the AMC Rebel Machine. That looks pretty sweet. And it's sitting on top of what I guess they're calling the wide open. And this is number 43. But yeah, check out some of those details. That's clean. I like it. Rebel Machine. That's cool. There's the back end. I don't know how clearly it's coming in, but hopefully you can see it. But yeah, definitely a nice one right there. If you're into those AMC Rebels, then that is definitely one to be on the lookout for in store. So just a quick little recap, and then we'll move right along. Let's see here, 41, 42, 43. So there's your order right there. Top one is the Porsche 917 LH, which is number 41. 42 is the Lancia Stratus. And 43 is that AMC Rebel Machine. So hopefully you're able to find these soon. Again, I haven't seen these yet in store. but I'm looking forward to anticipating seeing these in the store soon. Let me know your thoughts, of course. Hopefully I give you some decent angles on these, but I may post them up on Instagram at some point. All right, definitely nice. Move that out of the way. And up next is a premium set, and I'm really hoping it is the Mountain Drifters, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the Mountain Drifters could have a potential to find a chase in, but then again, this may not be the Mountain Drifters because I'm pretty familiar with J-Car, and I don't think they've come out with, I know they came out with the 5-car set, but I don't think they've come out with a case that I'm aware of, so this may be like the Fast and Furious, which is cool. I'm looking forward to finding that Lightning, that Ford Lightning that Brian drove in the Fast and Furious. So whatever it is, I think it'll be awesome. So let's see here right offhand. Am I right? No, it is them. Oh my gosh. I don't remember them putting that out, but maybe they did. Dang. Oh, it's already a beautiful look. All right. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and pull them in order. So we should have 2 of each. First up, number 1 is the Toyota A86 Sprinter Truno. Dang, that looks beautiful. That is sweet right there. Love that those graphics, man. Dang, that is awesome. Look at the back end. Yeah, that looks sweet. I'm excited about this set. We'll bring out the number 2 next, which was the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Oh, dang. I like that deep blue. That's nice. Almost a purple or something. That is sweet. Check out the artwork. Looks good. There's your back end. The base. And there's that front end. That's awesome. That's number 2. Boom. Number 3. Oh, that's clean. Little Honda NSX Type R. That's legit. Love those wheels. Those white wheels, yes. I can see a lot of people will be buying these up once they've been out for a while. You know, people will be buying these for probably wheel swaps or wheel donors. If I had to guess or speculate. But let me know, of course, your thoughts. Definitely a nice casting. All right, that's number 3. Number 4, I know this is the one everyone's going to be chasing. This will be the first probably to get bought up in the store if I had to guess. Once like I said, once everybody gets their fill and they drop more, I think this will be the one everybody will kind of pick up extras of. That's the Nissan Skyline, little silhouette, super silhouette. Dang, check out the details of that. That is beautiful. Love that interior. Dang, that is sweet. A little Liberty Walk. Give me a second here, just if I can focus a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how well the interior comes through. It's a little bit hard to stabilize in my hand to get those great interior shots, but hopefully this is something you can find in the store again soon. I know some of the Targets in my area have dropped them, but I think very few. But then again, I don't know. You're not really going to know which stores dropped unless you're there and you were the one to pick them up. Because again, I think collectors going to buy up every single one. Especially if they only, like I said, you only get 2 to a case and they may only put out 1 case. Why wouldn't you buy both sets, you know? Especially if you're somebody like me who like maybe wants to keep one in the pack and then open one up, or you know, buy one and then, you know, get the other one for trade bait, you know? So, can't argue with that. I mean, I wish stores would get more than they are, you know, because I feel like, I mean, they get plenty of, like, say, those, what is it, that American flag set, you know, it's like a little bit of a, like $1.20, maybe $2 now. I don't know how much their cost, what they're going for. but it's like that premium little mainline Hot Wheel. But it's like again, they're more than the 94-cent standard mainline, but they're those little sets, and they get plenty of like these little like weird like 5-car sets, but then they only get like maybe 1 or 2 cases of premiums in it. I never understand how they get so many of like one little like mainline or one little mainline set, but then premiums they only get like maybe 1 case of at a time, you know, and that'll be all you see for like a month, and then they'll get like, you know, another month later they'll finally get another case of the premiums. But those little mainline 5-car sets, man, they'll get like 10 cases at one time. I'm like, why can't y'all do the same for the premiums? But yeah, check out that Toyota Celica GT4. Love those wheels. That's sweet. There's that back end. Definitely a nice one right there. I think a lot of people will be plucking that one as well. Again, the whole set's really, really nice. If I had to speculate which one would be the peg warmer once everybody's kind of got their feel of these, I have to say it probably might be the, I don't know, maybe the Mitsubishi or the Honda NSX, but I believe the Toyota Sprinter Truno, definitely the Liberty Walk is going to be the first, I think, to go. But this one might be a second or third to be plucked up. But definitely a nice one. So I was definitely shocked to see this. I've been looking forward to finding this set for so long. So that is awesome. I didn't even know they had a 10 count yet. I know I saw like a 5 count set or whatever available on JCar, but didn't know they had the entire case already available. So that's awesome. So let me know your thoughts, of course. Hopefully you're able to, again, see these in stores soon. And I'm still looking to see them in store as well, because I definitely want to get maybe 1 or 2 more. And I know everybody in my area, like all my local Hot Wheel buddies, you know, local collectors in the area, I don't think many of them have seen these, and they're all looking for them. So I'll be definitely looking to grab a few sets to, you know, to trade away, things like that. So let me know your thoughts, of course. That is awesome. So we got the latest of those, and of course we got 2 sets. I kept the other one in the box. They're a little bit, you know, warped in the cards, but it's all good. They'll straighten out, or, you know, it's all good. Not a problem for me. Like I said, I like to generally kind of open one, maybe keep one in the pack, or trade them off or something like that. So, dang, that is awesome. Love the Liberty Walk. Nissan Skyline. Everyone's going to be going goo goo gaga for that one, right? But then again, maybe, you know, one of these other ones, maybe the Toyota is your thing. Definitely a nice one in my opinion. All of them are sweet as all. But yep, that's it for this video, guys. Definitely will be bringing you on some more unboxings or peg hunts soon. So with that being said, take care, happy hunting, stay safe out there, and catch you in the next video. All right, guys, well, I have to do a little reiteration. I apologize. Yes, there is a chase in this set. However, we did not get it, and it would have been the Nissan Skyline. So I don't know why my brain was a little bit foggy. I think it's my wife and I were out pretty late last night. We didn't get home until the early morning, and running off a little bit of a sleep. So my brain's been in a bit of a fog, so I apologize for that. So yes, there's a chase to be on the lookout for in this set. I thought I was correct, but then I was like, I don't know. You know, it's one of those things where like you're running on a little sleep and you can't quite think clearly. So with that being said, be on the lookout for that Nissan Skyline chase in the black. We didn't get a chase in our case, and I did talk to my wife, and she did confirm if you order 2 of the 5-car sets, they'll send you the case. So that's how she managed that, because I was like, I've seen the 5-car set. I just thought maybe they'd send it to you, you know, loose, I guess. But I guess if you order 2 of them, 2 sets, they'll just send you the case, which makes sense, duh. So just to clarify everything. But thanks for tuning in, everyone. Wish you all the best. Happy hunting. Let me know what you're finding, what you're looking for out of the sets or out of the team transports, and I'll see you soon. Take care.